Hi guys, it's Sam from Creatively Sam's, and today I'm making White House eggs, or I've heard them called eggs in a nest. My dad is the one that showed me how to make this when I was really young, and he's the one that told me it's called White House eggs. But they are so easy to make. They're a nice change from regular eggs and toast. And if you want to see how I did this, stay tuned. It's coming up next. Okay, the first thing you want to do is butter a slice of bread. Then you want to cut a hole in the center of the bread. Turn the flame on to medium. You're going to flip this butter side down into the pan and crack the egg right in the center. I like pulling the white out all the way. My dad didn't do it that way, but I like it. Now you're going to let this cook until you can see the center around the yolk start to turn white. And we'll be back. Okay, you can see that the white is starting to cook, and the bottom of the bread is starting to get a little brown, and all you want to do is turn it over and let it cook until the egg's done. This gives the bread and the egg together a totally different taste than just having toast and eggs. And it's a nice treat. I mean, I'm not supposed to have the carbs, so I don't have this very often. But every once in a while, yeah, I really need it. And there it is. Okay, I'm going to add a little salt. And we're going to dive into this. And hopefully this is cooled down enough where I'm not going to burn myself. Oh yeah. This is exactly what I needed, because I'm starved. So, if you like what you saw, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and happy creating, everyone.